Welcome everyone. This exercise will guide you through the process of downloading the JCAATs AI Audit software, retrieving your machine's Mac UUID code, and submitting your application for the trial software. Let's move on to the exercises that will help you achieve those goals. We'll take this step by step to ensure everyone is on track. Exercise 1. Generate your JCAATs machine key. Next, we'll generate your unique machine key for activating JCAATs. This step is crucial, and I'll be here to help if you encounter any issues. Exercise 2. Download and install the JCAATs software. Finally, we'll download and install the JCAATs AI Audit software. I'll walk you through the installation process to make sure everything works smoothly. This exercise will guide you through downloading the JCAATs AI Audit software, obtaining your machine's Mac UUID code, and submitting your application for the trial software. Step 1.1. Download the JCAATs AI Audit software. Locate the Download button on the course interface, click the Free Trial Software button, highlighted in orange. Download the installer, save the file to a convenient location, for example, Downloads folder. Check system requirements, ensure your system meets the following: Mac OS, 64-bit. Sufficient storage space. Troubleshooting tip: if the download doesn't start, refresh the page or contact support. Step 1.2. Submit your application. Fill out general information, name, enter your full name. Organization, enter your company or institution name. Email, this is your account email and cannot be changed. Enter your system information, operating system, select Mac. UUID code, this unique code links the software activation to your machine. Follow these steps to retrieve the UUID, press the Option key or select the Apple menu, the Apple icon, on the taskbar. Select About this Mac from the list. Left-click and select Run as Administrator. Retrieve UUID code. In the About window, select System Report button. Press Enter. In Step 1.5, we will identify your machine's UUID code, which is essential for activating the JCAATs software. You'll see a hardware UUID is E4A81A CXXX4X4XXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXX Step 1.6. Complete the application form. Enter required information, name, organization, and email. Fill in the respective fields. UUID code. Paste the UUID code retrieved from Hardware Overview. Operating system. Select Mac. Submit the application. Double-check all details for accuracy. Click Apply to submit. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the application process for the JCAATs trial software. Review confirmation details, machine code, UUID code. Expiration date, for example, March 19, 2025. Operating system. You can now download the required files. Before installing the JCAATs AI audit software, let's make sure your system meets the necessary requirements. Supported operating systems. JCAATs is compatible with Microsoft Windows 10 11, 64-bit. Mac OS v10 above. Why 64-bit? A 64-bit environment allows JCAATs to handle larger datasets and perform more complex computations efficiently. Step 2.1. Download required files. There are differences between an Intel chip Mac and an ARM chip Mac. You need to identify your Mac's chip type and select the correct software version for installation. Before beginning installation, download the necessary files, software installer. Click the Download, Mac, button. Save the installer file to a location you can easily find, for example, Downloads folder. Credential key. Click the Credential key button. Save this file securely, it is required for activation. Installation guide, optional. For detailed instructions, click the Installation Guide button. Verify your downloads, ensure you have, select the correct software installer. Credential key. Installation guide, optional. Important tip, do not rename or move the credential key after downloading, as it may cause activation issues. Step 4.2. Run the JCAATs installer. Locate the installer, find the file name JCAATs. Installer. Windows.exe. Run the installer, double-click the file to start installation. If prompted by User Account Control, UAC, verify the publisher is Jacksoft Commerce Automation Limited. Click Yes to proceed. Follow on-screen prompts, the installer will guide you through the process. Troubleshooting, if blocked, verify the publisher details or consult your IT administrator. Step 2.3, read the agreement. Language selection, choose your preferred language from the drop-down, default is English. Read the agreement, review the terms and conditions. Proceed to the continue. Step 2.4, accept license agreement. Accept the terms, select agree to proceed. Step 2.6, begin installation. Ready to install, confirm setup details on the screen. Start installation, click install. Note, do not close the installer during this process. Please use Touch ID or enter your Apple ID password. Then click to install the software. Installation time, the installation may take a few moments. Be sure not to close the installer or shut down your computer during this process. Step 2.8, complete installation. Setup complete, you will see a confirmation message. Finish installation, click close to close the installer. In Step 2.9, after the installation is complete, locate the shortcut. On your applications or Launchpad, you should see a shortcut icon for JCAATs AI Audit software. The icon looks like the one shown on the left. Launching JCAATs, double-click the shortcut to open the software. Startup, a loading screen will appear with a green progress bar. Be patient, the first launch may take longer as the software initializes. Since the key has not been installed, the warning message below will appear when you run JCAATs for the first time. Please follow the steps to upload the key into JCAATs to activate the software. Warning message, you may see, J997, invalid license. Please update key and help about. You will need to upload your credential key by following these steps. 1. Go to About JCAATs. To select the credential key file you downloaded earlier, in the About JCAATs dialog, click Update Key. In Step 2.13, select the credential key. When prompted to select the credential key, a file dialog will appear. You need to select the credential key file to complete the activation of JCAATs. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded your key file. By default, it is located in your Downloads folder. Look for a key file named with your name or company name. In this example, the file is named jacksoft.key. Select the key file and click Open to upload it to JCAATs. After successfully updating your credential key, you're now ready to finalize the activation of JCAATs. Click the OK button to close the About window. This will complete the setup and activation of JCAATs. After completing the credential key update, you will need to restart JCAATs. To close the software, go to JCAATs greater than quit JCAATs. Double-click the JCAATs AI Audit software icon on your applications or Launchpad again to reopen JCAATs. Verify credential key information. Go to JCAATs About JCAATs and confirm. Username. Organization. Software edition, version, and expiration date. Confirmation. If everything looks correct, click OK. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and activated JCAATs AI Audit software. You're now ready to leverage its powerful AI-driven features for your audit projects.